Hey there, my beautiful friends! Welcome back to my channel. Your girl Chloe here, and today we're diving into one of my favorite topics, easy fashion tips to elevate your outfits and instantly make them better. Like, have you ever tried creating a cute look or even recreating an exact outfit you saw on Pinterest or Instagram, but once on you, you were like, meh? Because I've been there pretty often and still am sometimes, to be honest. So today I wanted to give you my 5 simple tips that will instantly transform your blend outfit to a super stylish one. And I'll show you visual examples of before and after so you can really understand the gist of it. If you find any of these tips useful and would like to see more videos like this, please give it a thumbs up. It's a small gesture that makes a whole difference for me and my channel, so I'd be so grateful if you did it. And don't forget to subscribe if you want more easy styling tips and outfit ideas. With that being said, let's jump right into it. So let's kick things off with tip number 1, focus on the fit. The fit of your clothes is absolutely critical. It's the foundation of your outfit, so if you don't nail this first part, it's gonna be very hard or even impossible to compensate with the styling. And this is a common mistake that I used to make a lot. The material, the cut, and the stiffness of a garment define the overall look of a piece and what it will look like on you. Clothes that doesn't fit well can make even the most expensive pieces look cheap, while well-fitted pieces can make you feel like $1,000,000 even in a $20 tee. And that's probably the number 1 reason why that cute outfit you found on Pinterest doesn't look the same on you. You can't just put on similar pieces of the same color and expect it to look the same. You have to dig and analyze a little bit deeper. For example, are the pants stiff or flowy? Thick or thin? Straight or wide? And the same thing for the top. Is it oversized or skin tight? Is it structured or loose? Here's a side-by-side example of a technically identical outfit. Jeans, a white top, and a blazer. But you can instantly see that they look really different. On the left, I put on some more baggy, flowy jeans, a tight t-shirt, and a thin, loose blazer. And on the right, I'm wearing straight-leg jeans that are a little bit more thick and stiff, a loose-fitting t-shirt, and a thick, structured blazer. Moving on to tip number 2, play with proportions. The easiest and most important tricks to remember here is the golden ratio and mixing baggy with fitted. So what do I mean by that? The golden ratio rule says that the most aesthetically pleasing proportions in art are in thirds. Our eyes expect and are naturally drawn to things getting broken up in thirds. So when you put together an outfit, a great way to instantly make it look better is to choose pieces that will cut your body vertically into a third and 2/3. For example, if you put high-waisted pants with a crop top, it will create that rule of third and visually elongate your legs, instead of putting a top that stops at hip level, breaking your body in half. And it also works the other way around, like instead of a coat stopping at your hips, opt for one that goes all the way to your knees or calves. You can instantly see how it's visually more appealing. Then make sure to also mix baggy clothes with more fitted pieces to create a well-balanced outfit. For example, if you're wearing a flowy top, balancing out with a more fitted bottom like a skirt or leggings. Or if you're wearing a pair of wide-leg trousers, pair them with a fitted top. The key here is to experiment and find what works best for your body type and personal style. Of course, this is just a rule of thumb if you don't want to think too much about it and want to easily put together an outfit, but I can't personally say that I always follow these rules. I can sometimes wear baggy on baggy or not respect the golden ratio, and it's totally okay if you don't. Everyone has their unique style. Now let's talk about tip number 3, accessorizing. Do not underestimate the power of styling and accessorizing because it can take your outfit from 0 to 1,000,000 in a matter of seconds. You might not think that wearing a necklace, a belt, sunglasses, a hat, a bag makes a difference, but it makes all the difference. It instantly elevates your outfit and make it look like you really put some thought into it. Take this basic outfit for example, and see how on the right it looks so much better even though we didn't change or add any other pieces of clothing. The simple fact of adding various accessories make it look so chic and put together. But here's the thing, you have to be careful as it's all about balance. Don't overwhelm your outfit with too many accessories because this will have the opposite effect, making your outfit look messy. Instead, choose one or two statement pieces that will shine and complement with 1-2 smaller pieces if you want. Now on to tip number 4, experiment with color and patterns. If you're stuck in a black and white cycle, it's time to shake things up, girls. Don't get me wrong, I love and live in my basics, in my neutrals, but adding pops of colors or fun patterns to your outfit from time to time can instantly elevate your style and make you stand out from the crowd. If you're like me and you don't wear a lot of colors usually, a fun and easy way to try this is to stick to more neutral colors for the whole outfit, except for one piece that's really gonna pop out. Otherwise, you can also try a neutral colored piece that has a fun colorful pattern on it, like florals. Or stick to neutrals all the way, but try different patterns or fabrics that will make the outfit visually interesting. And last but certainly not least, at tip number 5, add layers for dimension. Layering keeps you warm, but it's also a great way to add depth and dimension to your outfit. Like, I don't know if it's just me, but I feel like the more layers I put on, the more put together I look. It's like I really took some time to think about it and mix and matching everything, you know? But it's not that complicated at the end of the day. For example, let's start with an easy base, jeans and a tank. Now let's add boots and a belt that's already elevating the outfit. Throw on a blazer over, which is already a great outfit, and if you want to go the extra mile, put a sweater over your shoulder and you look like a real fashionista. So that's it, my lovelies, my 5 easy tips to instantly make your outfit look better and more stylish. I hope you found these helpful and that you feel inspired to try them out for yourself. Let me know in the comments of which one you maybe already know and which one you're excited to try out. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more styling advice and outfit ideas. I'm also on Instagram if you want more daily fashion content. I'm definitely more active over there, so come say hi. And as always, thank you so much for watching and being here. I really appreciate it, and I will see you real soon, besties. Bye!